a clay artist, and I create cute handmade pieces that you can actually shop as well. How I made this adorable octopus charm with... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Anshika, a clay artist, and I create cute handmade pieces that you can actually shop as well. And today's video is a little special because I'm back with a long form video after quite a long time, and I've missed this so much. I'll be taking you through the entire process of how I made this adorable octopus charm with headphones, and I call her Luna. And yes, she's available on my website if you would like to have one of your own. This time I truly mean it when I say I'm here to stay, and I'll be showing up consistently with more such creative videos for you all. And yes, so without any further delay, let's get started.